Mood-changing technology at the touch of one button.
Let it be your night. Wait a minute.
Here I am in my office. This is where the series begins. How did I get here? Then how? Hi, I'm Ricky, a digital and multimedia marketing professional with a proven track record establishing brand tribes. Over the past 10 years, I've been working on SEO and content for our travel website, as well as creating the social media channels. In teamwork with my partner, we've been able to boost our luxury resort travel website to the top 100,000 sites worldwide. Recently, I updated my skill set with a Bachelor of Communications Digital Media at Deakin University. In this innovative course, we created participatory and supportive digital media environments. Here I scored a high distinction grade point average and finished top of many of my classes. And I had a creative branding campaign make the finalists for national rollout for Who Gives a Crap toilet paper. Long before COVID arrived, I was selected as Deakin University's first ever digital and social media intern. The Cloud Campus team looks for innovative ways to support student needs. I helped create an environment where people were safe to contribute creative ideas. These days I'm especially interested in working with social enterprises. Thank you for watching this video today.